Summoning the courage to begin a difficult conversation is often enough to stop us making our first move altogether. Like taking a sip from a lidded hot drink, we don't know if it will burn us until we have ventured that first sip. So how can we get ourselves to step over the line, to get beyond those invisible but sometimes tall barriers that can block us altogether from opening our mouths when it's important to do so? Well, we might not always be able to overcome our apprehension with lots of rational self-talk, but we can reduce the effect of some of those troublesome, often exaggerated warning signals. And here's how. It's all about how you prepare, how you begin, and what you do in the moments after you've spoken. So firstly, prepare very simply. Decide on one opening sentence and one truth. For example, I want to tell you how I was after the budgeting meeting this morning. I was annoyed. You changed quite a few of the important numbers without consulting me first. The opener and the truth is really all that you can prepare. Everything else is unknown, so there is no advantage in preparing for it. That in itself should take the pressure off. But how do you find the words to even begin sometimes? The one approach that I have found works best of all is the no words at all approach. The closer we can get to cutting out the introduction altogether, the better. Less to think about means less pressure to get it right. However, sometimes we feel so uncomfortable that our feelings threaten to do a pitch invasion. In this case, it makes sense to be really open about how we feel about even having the conversation. I need to explain something really tricky to you, but I'm nervous that you might not like what I have to say. And lastly, be ready to listen. All you have to do is to pay attention until it's your turn to talk again.